Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, hey, my name is Tamika and we get into all things fashion, makeup, and beauty. And if that is something that you guys are interested in, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join this little but growing family, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. And let's hop right into it. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, I have made a few changes to my filming setup and I just wanted to go ahead and share those with you guys. So if you guys are interested in updating your filming setup, or if you like the type of style that I have going on, or lights or anything like that, I'll definitely have everything linked down in the description bar below so you guys can check it out if you'd like. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first up on the list, I hope you guys can tell, but I did get a new camera. So it was my birthday last weekend and my family ended up surprising me with a new camera. And the camera that I ended up receiving is the Canon EOS M50. And I really like this one because it's a mirrorless camera. It's a lot smaller, more compact, and maybe I'll start doing vlogging. I don't know, maybe. But I think it's a good size camera, especially for those of you who are bloggers. It's very easy and it's lightweight. You can stick it in your bag and put it on like a tripod and just carry it around. It's very small and compact in that way. The previous camera that I used to use was the Canon T5i, so I was definitely in the market for an upgrade. I have been looking for a while, and then just recently my T5i has just been acting up, so this new camera came at the perfect time. So thank you guys for getting me my new camera. I am enjoying it, and I am still working on figuring out the settings. I've been watching like so many YouTube videos on what would be the best settings for my camera. So once I figure those out and get it perfect to where I'm satisfied, I'll definitely come back and let you guys know what my settings are if you're interested. So definitely stick around for that update. Like I said, I will have this camera linked down in the description bar if you guys are interested. This camera came in a box. It came with the battery charger, a battery of course, a strap to put on the camera, and I think that's about it because I think it's a refurbished camera. So that's all it came with, but I definitely am going to be looking into possibly getting a better lens because that's another investment, very expensive investment, but something that I definitely want to look into to further sharpen my quality. So yeah, so that one is going to be a next purchase for my whole setup here. And also I want to get a small tripod that I can hold it on just in case you know, maybe I start vlogging, who knows. Alright, so the next things that I picked up was a backdrop stand and background paper. Is that what it's called? Like seamless paper to have like different backgrounds, different color backgrounds. I've always wanted to have nice seamless paper as a backdrop just for like different makeup scenarios, just to fit the theme better. If you've seen my older videos, I used to have like different color backgrounds. In those videos, I just use fabric, so you don't need to go and spend like so much money on seamless paper if that's not in your budget. That's something that you don't even want to do. Fabric also works best. I picked up fabrics from Joann's Fabric and also Walmart. So if you have a local Walmart that you can go to, just go to the fabric section, tell them to give you like 2 yards of any color that you see there and just pin them in your wall. That's what I used to do. I can show you like all the tiny little push pin holes that are in my wall from when I used to stick them, when I used to stick my sheets or the fabric into the wall. But now I have upgraded to getting an actual backdrop stand and seamless paper. I only have one seamless paper, one color is this one that you're gonna see here, but I do plan on purchasing more. I'm just trying to figure out what size is the best size for my setup space. Right now I'm filming in my room. If I were to use the backdrop paper, you're going to see here that I actually set up in my living room because the stand is very wide, and in my room I don't have that much space unless I move my room around again. But yeah, so that is what those look like. All right, so next up on the list is a ring light. So I actually got a brand new ring light. This company was nice enough to send me a ring light to review for you guys. It is by a brand called CC. The previous ring light that I've had for so many years, and it's like the wires are starting to go. It's very sensitive. Like if you happen to touch it with your foot, the light will go out. So this new ring light came at the perfect time. So thank you again to CC for sending this to me. I really like this ring light because it's a lot more lightweight than my newer ring light. It's very thin and just like, it's easy to carry around. It's very easy to assemble. The tripod for the ring light is very sturdy. It's a strong tripod. I feel like you can use it for a whole bunch of different things. If I wasn't using it for my ring light, I'd put like extra lights on this tripod because it's so sturdy. I'm gonna go ahead and try to show you guys a clip of me setting up the ring light just to show you how easy it was to set up. And I really like this one because I feel like apart from my newer ring light, the lighting setup in this ring light, it's a lot cooler. I don't know how to explain it. And what's really cool about this ring light also is that it has 2 light settings. So I'm going to show you here in this clip that if you press this button right here on the back, you can switch it from daylight setting, or you can switch it to a more yellow setting. I don't really like the yellow setting because it's very weird. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and switch it real quick just to show you guys, but it's not very flattering. But so there's a button on the back, you just press it and then you turn it. You see how it's turning yellow, and it can get really yellow. That's not cool. I don't like that one, but you have options. So, and then you can switch it back to daylight. It does come with a power adapter. There's also ports on the back where you can buy, I think it's like different type of battery adapters, so that you can, instead of having it plug into the wall, you can stick it in the back of the ring light and just turn it on that way without having to actually plug something into a wall. If you were somewhere that maybe didn't have an outlet near you, like if you were filming outside or something at nighttime and you didn't have an outlet or something, you could just stick those batteries in and use it that way. Also, the ring light did come with different adapters, so that way I can attach my camera to the ring light, I can attach my phone to the ring light, and I can also attach an iPad to the ring light. So I actually have my camera on the ring light right now. Let me see if I can show you guys what it looks like. It's actually just sitting right on top of the ring light. All right, so here is the ring light right here, and I got also 2 soft boxes, but these are super old. But this is the ring light here, and I actually have my camera set up right on top, so you can see that there. It's just set up right on top. But if you guys are interested in checking this ring light out, definitely check the link down below. And they also gave me a 30% off coupon code for you guys, so if you are interested in checking that out, definitely take advantage of this coupon code. It is valid until November 30th. So if you are interested in picking it up, be sure to go ahead and use that coupon code and save you a little bit of money. So thankful again for this brand for sending this to me. Like I said, they did send this to me for free for a review for you guys. This is not a sponsored video. If I would tell you the honest truth, if I didn't like it, I'm actually using the ring light right now. You can see how the video is well lit. So I'm very pleased with this ring light. So this is going to be my new ring light from now on. All right, and last but not least, I picked up this Young, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but this brand. It's like a small video light. I really got this one for when I'm sitting in front of the backdrop, the seamless paper backdrop. I'll put this behind me so that it lights up, you know, gives kind of like that halo look to the background of your videos. I actually have it behind me right now, but I think maybe there's too much light in what I'm using right now that you can't see it. So it's kind of pointless in my room. So that's why I'll only be using it when I'm actually sitting in front of the backdrop paper, because you can see the light better against the color of the backdrop paper. But it's sitting behind me right here. I'll pick it up. It's, oh. I just have it on my old tripod because, like I said, I have my camera now on top of my ring light tripod. So I'll use this as this light's tripod, and it also has these little reflectors on the inside, and I guess that's for helping, you know, bounce the light out, either bringing it in a little bit or spreading the light out even further. I'm guessing. I don't know. I'm not a photographer here. Just guessing. I do have my eye on another light from this company, same brand and everything, but it's one I watched Carly Bybel's video on her video setup, and she has this really nice light by the same company, and it looks super bright. So I'm definitely going to be adding that to the list, so stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, so those are the few changes that I made in my filming setup. I hope you guys can kind of see the difference. Just let me know down below. Does it look better? Hopefully it looks brighter, a little bit more clear. If you guys have a piece of equipment that you have benefited from and you want to share, go ahead and let me know down below. Maybe I'll go ahead and check it out as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.